Hello everyone, and in this video I am going to unbox this 1:64 scale RWB 964 from Tarmac Works. The paper sleeve has a black and chrome trim to it and it looks really nice. It also includes the collector's card, and this is car number 1865. So now let's take a look at the car, which looks stunning in this black color. At the front, you can see that there's a photo-etched Porsche logo, and the headlights are also really well detailed. The paint quality is really good. There's the indicator on the front bumper and a small tow hook at the center. The tires are plain and do not have any branding on them. There's a red brake caliper behind the wheel, but it is really difficult to see it. There are a few logos on the rear side glass as well. The backside also looks really nice, and there are no RWB logos on the engine cover. From the back, it looks really similar to the 964 Turbo, but the only difference are the rear fenders and the whale tail rear spoiler. This spoiler looks really nice and sets it apart from other RWBs. The only RWB logo on the car is at the bottom of the rear windshield, and there is also the Idler's logo on the top left corner. There are a few more logos on this side, on the rear side glass. Now let's move on to the interior. It is a really basic interior, but it is still very well detailed. There are no seat belts on the seats, and there is no roll cage at the back. The dashboard is really well detailed, and you can see the instrument cluster from here. The steering wheel also looks really nice. There is the Rowell banner on top of the windshield. The wipers are also separate and are not molded in with the windshield. There are chrome inserts in the rear view mirror and they reflect really well. The base looks really nice. The chassis is not really well detailed, but still looks good. The exhaust mufflers and tips have silver paint on it and they look really nice. The rear wheel does not roll smoothly, but the front wheel does not roll at all. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.